my name is Samantha Ann Summer. I'm going to show you something about banana splits. If you think I'm talking about ice cream, bleh, wrong. I'm talking about this swing. Look at this. I have my assistant here named Brandon Summer.
Hi, Brandon.
And you see he's sitting in 2 seats. And now I'm going to show you how it goes. Look, you just push. And I think you're going to move away the videotaping guy because you're going to get hit in the face by his feet. And watch, my assistant is going to say in a few minutes, banana split. When he says banana split, he's going to let go of his legs and he's going to spin. Banana split! Look at it, at that twist. And see? Now as you can see, hello camera guy. Now you can see he was sitting in one swing, it was just twisted, and he was sitting in another swing, it was twisted too. His legs went in there. Then he just pushed by the behind.